Hi, Jackie Van Riller here from the Mind Body Beauty Institute, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about forehead wrinkles and some ways that you can minimize them and help them look less prominent on your face. So we're going to be using the normal two tools that I use in my videos, the Muakate Jasper Massage Stone and the Magic Wand or the Facial Reflexology Detector. Now let's talk about your forehead. So your forehead has a lot to do with thinking and how much you are up in your head. So how much you are thinking about things, obsessing about things, overthinking. And so prominent forehead wrinkles can mean that you just have a lot of energy up here in this forehead area or up in your brain. And that comes from the stress response of the fight or flight. So when you're in this fight or flight stress response, what happens is your body is sending more energy, more blood flow to your brain and less to like your vital organs and things like that in your body. And the reason for that is because your body needs to think to get out of a stressful situation. So your body's sending a ton of blood flow to your brain, helping you to think. But what happens is that if you're in this continual state of stress, you tend to have too much blood flow going to your brain even when you don't need it. And you get that overthinking going on, obsessive thoughts, things like that. So we're going to do some specific routines to decrease overthinking, get your energy into your body, accessing your intuition. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to take this tool and we're going to put it kind of halfway between your inner brow and your forehead here. I like to just support my skin. And I'm going to do some circles in this area, working outwards towards the end of my brow. And particularly right in this area, there's a point that's a relaxation point. And I can just kind of go back and forth or do figure eights in this area, helping to relax my body. I'm sure to take some deep breaths, and anywhere that I'm feeling lumpiness, bumpiness, just working a little bit extra in there. Then I'm going to do that same thing on the other side. Helping to relax that brain, relax the nervous system. This reduces feelings of pain, also reduces cravings, food cravings, alcohol cravings, cigarette cravings, any of those things. And you can go some back and forth, figure eight motions through here as well. Next, I'm going to work this area right above the inner brow, and this is another relaxation point. Doing some circles in here. Then I'm going to come up and above the brow and over and back and forth a few times. This is a great area to work if you're wanting to improve relaxation, but also sleep. And it works together with the last point that we did for just enhancing pain relief, reducing cravings, all of those things. Coming in here. Working that deep relaxation point. This is point 34. And then coming above the brow as well. Right, next we want to come right to the center of the forehead, and this is a point for the mind. This helps to calm down an overactive mind. Great point for reducing anxiety. Just turning off that brain when you just can't stop that thinking. And then coming down halfway between the brows and that center point. This is a point for activating your intuition. Your third eye. This also activates your pineal gland. This really helps with sleep, helping you get into a better dream state. Coming down right between the brows, we have a point for activating the parasympathetic nervous system or your rest and digest nervous system. This is the opposite of your fight and flight. Then coming down between your eyes, we have a point here for activating the heart and getting into that loving heart energy. Coming down a little lower to where your glasses would sit. This point relaxes your diaphragm and encourages deeper breathing. Activates that vagus nerve, which is the nerve for relaxation. And coming down your nose to this point here where the cartilage starts to soften up. It's called the gate of vitality. This is like your dantian point in your body. So when your energy is in that part of your body, it's when you're the most powerful because you're acting from a place of being fully present, right? If all your energy is in your head, you're probably thinking about the future, thinking about the past, trying to like sort things in your brain. But when your energy is in the spot in your body, it's when you're the most present. You're seeing like the full picture of what's all around you. You're allowing yourself to just be in that moment. Next, we're going to come over beside that point and get some kidney points here. Kidneys have so much to do with your brain power, how well your mind is focused and concentrated and motivated and creative. So we're just going to work those points in here. I want to come down right above this outer upper lip, and this gets the adrenal glands, helps to regulate your stress hormones and decrease inflammation. How much more relaxed you're feeling just by doing this. Try to move really slowly and gently on your skin. And then we're going to finish up with getting the kidney points on our forehead, and then I'm going to show you the wrinkle eraser move. So the kidney spots are going to be if you follow the corners of your mouth all the way up to your forehead and then come down just a little bit. You'll probably feel a spot in here that feels a little tense or tender. Right now I'm working my right hand side. And if you tend to get hot easily, have hot flashes, high blood pressure, or a red face, just work this side really gently and quickly. But if you tend to be cold, or you just feel like you're kind of like just need a little extra energy and motivation, that's a great place to work. On the left-hand side, this is your true kidney spot, and that means that this is a spot that pretty much everybody needs worked, and that's because your kidneys are known as like your body's battery. So they have to do with energy flow, brain power, creativity, motivation, focus, concentration. And most of us, we just wear out our batteries because we're go, go, go all the time. And especially if we have all that blood flow going to our head, it really can wear out our kidneys. You can see that my spot was kind of getting pink there, and that just means it needs a little extra love and attention. So the next thing I'm going to show you is called the wrinkle eraser. And this is where anywhere that you have lines on your forehead, you're just going to take your fingers, you're going to pull that line apart, and you're going to get in there with your reflexology tool, your magic wand. And what you're doing there is you're just breaking apart the fascial adhesions that are causing those wrinkles. So what happens with wrinkles is that when you make the same expression over and over and over again, your body is going to help you maintain that expression by forming these little fascial adhesions. And so when the fascial adhesions form, it's going to hold your skin in the area of how you're holding it. So for instance, I can't do it right now, of course, tend to get these lines because I'm constantly like focusing on stuff or looking. And so for me, I just take those lines, pull them apart, and I want to get in here and break up the fascia that's holding them together. Now these lines for me used to be super, super prominent, and they were just like there all the time. And as I've started doing this, now it's like I can still see them, but they're so much less intense, and sometimes I can't even find them at all, which is really awesome. So with any of those lines that you have, just pull them apart and do this little wrinkle eraser move. Now I get some like right out here, and so I can do the same thing, pull them apart, work out those little adhesions in the muscle, and that'll make them much less prominent. Now as long as I'm still making those expressions, they'll kind of come back, but if I keep working them out, they're going to be so much less noticeable. The next thing we're going to do is take this tool, and I'm going to first start with this edge here, and we just want to work from the brow just up the forehead. Smoothing out the forehead. Now our forehead also holds a lot of our emotional feelings. So I find that working the forehead is also really a huge mood lifter. I always feel so much happier after working the forehead, especially if I'm feeling angry or frustrated or worried or sad. So working out the whole forehead can give you an instant mood boost because we do carry all of our emotions in there. I like to call the forehead our gut-brain balance, and so much of our neurotransmitters, our serotonin, our happiness endorphins are made in our gut, and this is like the connection between the gut and the brain. Next, I'm going to use this flat edge of this tool, and I can just work kind of doing the same thing, just doing little circular motions in here to release any of those adhesions, or I can hold here and actually just do a little pull across any forehead wrinkles. If I have them in this way, I can hold here and just gently pull up. I can do the opposite side and pull down. I can hold here and pull across. Again, just working out those adhesions. It's really nice to do it with both this tool and the magic wand. It just gives it a little more oomph. The other thing you can do is hold underneath of here, doing little circular motions up. You can also feel where you have little areas of lumpiness and bumpiness in your skin and work it out that way. Hope this is helping. If you have forehead wrinkles, I know they can be really irritating, but doing this on a regular basis can really help to just smooth them out and make them not nearly as prominent as they probably are right now. For me, I like working this area right on the outer edge of the brow because I tend to get a lot of tension in there. So just feeling where you get tension, just working those a little bit extra. And then I always like to finish off by just working in front of or around the ears. So either working just up and down the front of the ear. It helps to set any formula in that I've done. It helps to return anything to balance if I've overworked an area or underworked an area. It just helps to balance out the whole body. You can also do circles around the ear. Whatever feels best. Right, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that red button to subscribe and the bell notification to be notified when I have new videos out. Please share this video with anybody who can use it, and comment below if you've noticed some changes in how you felt, or how you felt emotionally, or just even how your wrinkles are showing up on your face. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.